If there is one treatment I will always recommend to people trying to grow their hair out, it's hot oil treatment. Hot oil treatment is simply the process of applying warm oil to your hair and scalp to nourish your hair, moisturize it, and improve the health of your hair. And it also helps to reduce excess breakage. Let's get into the preparation. Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's been a long time I did a hot oil treatment on my own hair, and my hair has been feeling like it needs it, so I decided to just make out some time and finally get it done. So I have this big bucket of oil that I keep infused. This oil contains ingredients like rosemary, fennel, black seed, coconut oil, olive oil, hibiscus leaves, chebe powder, and fenugreek powder. Now this has been infusing since February this year. I keep a bucket infused like this so that whenever I need oil to apply to my hair, I have some readily available. It saves me so much time. I don't have to prepare the oils every single time I need them, and the longer it infuses, the more potent it is. So this bottle that you see right here, as dark as the oil is now, when I first added all the ingredients, the oil was a light yellow, almost white. Imagine the color of cold pressed coconut oil. That's what it looked like. But anyway, I transferred some to my applicator bottle. This is what the oil looks like. Guys, this oil is so rich. For a hot oil treatment, you can use whatever oils your hair like. This is an Ayurvedic mixture because of all the herbs inside. So you can use whatever oils your hair likes, whatever ingredient you want to infuse in your oils, you can do that. But I used this oil that was infused. So what I did was I just added some hot water into a container, and then I transferred my applicator bottle into the container. I didn't use boiling hot water because of the texture or because of the nature of bottle I was using. It's not a glass bottle, it's plastic, and I didn't want the bottle to melt, obviously, so I just used moderately hot water, enough to warm up my oil for my hair. And once the oil was warm enough, I moved straight to application. This is what my hair is looking like now. My hair has been in these braids for almost 2 weeks. And guys, 2 weeks ago, when I got these braids done, I had planned to do the hot oil treatment back then, but I just never got around to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and loosen the braids, finger detangle my hair a little bit, and then get straight into applying the oil to each section of hair. done, this is the amount of breakage I got for the first round. I'm not going to be using any comb to comb out my hair, but I did use my fingers to finger the tangle before going in to wash and also after washing. So I got a bit of breakage, about the same amount of breakage, and this is what we're working with for my hair. I had to finger the tangle first to make sure the oil was distributed properly and to reduce any friction between the hair strands. So here I'm simply testing the oil to make sure it's warm enough for my hair. I didn't want it very hot so that it will not just boil my scalp. I've tried that before, and for this time I just kept it warm, and that was good enough for me. So I just applied that all the way at my roots or my scalp, and also applied it to the body of my hair. Be generous. If you have more oil, use more oil. But after applying the oil to each section, I massaged my scalp thoroughly to improve the circulation of blood, and I also massaged the body of my hair, and I also applied generously to my ends because the ends are the oldest part of the hair and you don't want to forget them if you choose to do this treatment. Now let's get into the kind of oils you can use for a hot oil treatment at home. First, you want to choose the type of oil you're going to use, and you can pick from any oil your hair likes. I mentioned that, as well as any ingredient your hair likes if you want to make an Ayurvedic oil. So for oils, you can choose from options including castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, or argan oil. These oils penetrate the hair shaft easily, and whether you are high porosity hair, medium porosity hair, or low porosity hair, these oils will work well for you. The next step is to warm the oil. Make sure that it's slightly warm or slightly hot if you prefer, but you don't want it too hot so it doesn't burn your scalp. And then you can choose to apply this to clean, damp hair, or like I did, you can apply it to old hair, which you are going to wash immediately after. Then you massage it very gently into your scalp and your hair. Make sure it gets evenly distributed. Make sure that it's well distributed so that it can work effectively. Then you're going to leave it on for at least 30 minutes before you wash your hair or you rinse it out. What I did was, after the 30 minutes, I went in and I washed my hair. At first I was going to do just a rinse and then apply deep conditioner, but I actually needed to shampoo, so I did that and my hair came out very okay. I covered my head with a plastic bag. You can choose to sit under a hooded dryer for more intensity, but I just let the plastic bag stay over my head, and afterwards, after washing, this is what my hair looked like. It looked more vibrant, it looked much better than before, and my scalp was also really clean. I applied my product, moisturized, and just put it back into twist in the same sections, and that was it.